Original. Original. Just say no. Just say yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Kaluki and you're welcome to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. I look so bad. I know I'm looking so bad. My hair imekatu only like a week and a half and this is how it looks. This ungrateful hair. Nikishuka kitu yote, even braids, it's always a mess. Ikangi, the people around me, they usually know that. Yeah, so spending money to this hair is just a loss. Anyway, it doesn't make any profit. So in this video we are going to transform this look to a different look, and we will start by, we are going to pimp this face color yellow. And basically the remedies are only plain yogurt and turmeric, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to apply it, and then after that we go to step 2, and that step 2 is undoing my hair. So let's get into it.
Bad man, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my comment on me, them I give me low. If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Then my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No.
So akinaka funny, but anyway, so I've been using this thing for this is now day 4, and it really helps a lot. I had some big pimples or something, ni pimples anyway. Zilikuwa kubwa, zilikuwa zinatoka hadi, you feel me, size melala. Yes, I'm clearing the dark spots, and I've also been using this bio oil. So after using this, I use bio oil at night, so it helps with the dark spots, and this one really helps with inakausha. You see, inakausha, alafu it's easy for that scar to kutoka. So that's basically why I've been using this, and you might try, because this is a natural remedy. It's a homemade remedy of which it won't cost you a lot. The plain yogurt, I bought a small one though. It's for 40 shillings kwa sababu nilikuwa naogopa ni buy kubwa alafu iharibike. But anyway, I've been using that for 4 days, and I can tell you the end review is just amazing. And you can also apply here by the don't ask why my lips are black. These lips change, they go with series. Kuna time itakuwa light, kuna time itakuwa dark, kuna time me gave up with this face and everything, but I'm just trying this remedy, the last one. So let me go wash my hands, and then after that we come and undo this hair while this one dries. So step 2, we are going to undo the hair like I said, and we are starting by cutting this braids. I assume my hair is not this long, so we are cutting from here.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman.
So now we start with cutting, with the undoing it. So this is basically a bob pin. Nimetoa bobby pin.
Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls
I think I'll just go and do like a half of this one off the video, and then come back, we finish with this one, so that this footage won't be so long. And then I noticed that like 80% of my viewers or subscribers, they're girls, and trust me, you guys are mean. Tebu, stop being mean and make sure you subscribe. Like I think 50% of my viewers have not subscribed. Not 50, actually 60 of my viewers have not subscribed. So what you have to do is Tebu, subscribe. I'm waiting for you to subscribe so that I can continue with the video. Yeah, so yeah, please show your support in any way you can. Share this video, subscribe, and comment. I always reply to every comment. Yeah, so make sure you comment. So guys, I have done like the half of this, so let me do this now.
Them a step in me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down.
This thing is trying to dry, by the way. I've only left with one remaining, and I love how my hair looks. To imagine, to see it in a car wig. Okay, I'm complimenting myself. I'm just making myself happy. Katababu, this hair, it can't stay with the nini, with the braids or anything.
Go down. Ooh, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. She a good nigga. One figure, me na run nigga. One nigga say really one figure. Na me all I'm sick. Go nigga, she a good nigga. One figure, me na run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga.
So guys, this is basically it for undoing my hair. So I'm going to wash. Yeah, I was taking a time. Yeah, so I'm going to wash. I guess it's skip wash anyway. I have a lot of hair by there. Whoa. Yeah. This is Naskill wash, Nasi jokes. Coming after washing my face and washing my hair and washing my whole body, I am coming back, and then we style this hair a French style. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, let's come. I have a lot of hair by the way. So we have to like put like a ponytail. So here te inafika kuja hapa. Yes, so
I'm rolling on your wheel now.
hey. Hair band. I forgot to tell you what we need. Actually, in this video, we need a gel, we need bobby pins, and we need, yeah, braiding, whatever, whichever you will get, a synthetic one. Assuming I got this one. And then those 3 main things that are needed. Yeah, and a hairband too. So I've not applied anything to my hair, by the way. Just washed it, and then here we are.
I'm rolling on your wheel now. I'm drinking Hennessy now. e.t.c now. Say you don't bust my eyeglass. You don't scut them.
Yeah, I think right now it's good. And then I'm going to put in some gel, some eco gel, the white gel.
Countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
Oh my So hivyo ndo nyuma iko, and then huko hizi sides ndo ziko na shida. Yeah, this bun is straight. Ni vile tu nywele imelina on one side. And then we will make the edges, because when we start doing the fringe, we can't do the edges because we will spoil it. These edges don't, I pray that this time they don't any backfire. Yeah, so guys, after doing your edges and laying your hair, you basically do this. You will take something, this is just stocking, yeah, and like you will take this braid. It's just a normal braid, a synthetic braids, and then you will tie it on top here. But then now I'm gonna come in a pro. And I'm also trying. Yeah. So after doing this, you'll need like a small parts for the fringe, you know. So maybe this part, is it enough? Better. I think this one can work. Yeah, this one can work. So let me take one bobby pin, and then like so that it won't interfere with the rest. Pin it. Yeah, so we separate it from this one, and then I take like a small piece and then tie it round. Yeah, so after doing that, now we take this part that we had set aside, that is like for the fringe, and we'll like I don't feel like this is the right color. I could have taken it, but I just work with it. So yeah, so if we put it there, yeah, so this is the right portion. So I will take another pinch of this hair, and then like do this to it. You secure it with this things. You go around. I feel like I've tied it, and then you continue doing that to the rest.
So guys, as you can see, I sectioned this part very well, and then my stupid just paused the video And then forgot that I played pause again instead of play, so it didn't record the part that I was cutting, but it's basically just cutting. After what I did, you just cut below your nose, and then this is how it looks. And then after that, you keep sizing until you get the perfect size you want, and that's basically it. For now until then, we'll just be cutting and making sure that this size is your, yani it benefits you. Alafu you just cut according to your shape of the head, even to basically. And don't mind me, this is actually my first time trying this voiceover. So yeah, bear with me. And by the way, I will use a flat iron, but it doesn't necessarily need flat iron. That's if you have it, but if you don't have it, you can still rock this style without it. And yeah, just comb it until, and or resize it until it's perfect shape. So enjoy the video, continue enjoying the video, and make sure you subscribe, share, and comment.
See when I ride out, bumble.
It's V-Kills.
One time.
Standard.
One time. Supposed to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive.
Okay, I think this now looks perfect. Yeah, so now let's comp it.
Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive.
For a sec. Yeah, so this is my first time. I'm going to do my makeup and then come back and we'll see how the look looks like. I cannot imagine myself at.
No.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
So actually this is the end look of how this thing looks, and I love it. By the way, I'm loving this look. I think I'll be rocking this look each and every time I get like somewhere to go and I have my real hair on. I think this is what I'll be doing. You comment down below what you think about this look. I guess it's amazing. For me, it's amazing. This look is just amazing. And actually it's good because I have not even applied foundation kwa forehead. Bado naslay. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you've enjoyed. I've wasted your time, and make sure you subscribe and share this video. Peace.